What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B coming at you with another video. Man, I hope everybody's having a blessed day on this beautiful rainy Saturday, man. It's raining out here today, so your boy is in the garage. It's 90% all day today, so I'm not going anywhere. But today, man, we got something else that's going on Cone, and probably gonna be it for the year that what's going on here. That's what that's what we say anyway, but we know how that goes. Kong is up on the jack already. Y'all probably wonder why he's on the jack. But today, y'all, we are going to take the dog bone look off today, y'all. We're going to pull these lights off here and the license plate. We're going to take it off. But what we're going to come up with right here, man, more custom dynamics, baby. More custom dynamics lights for the bike, y'all. So we're going to get it started. And man, it should look real good. Make everything look real nice and smooth back here. Like, these lights are not bad at all. Great lights. And I already have custom dynamic lights in them. But so, only thing we have to do, y'all, we're going to take, it's a bolt here. I have to get up under the fender. Get up under the fender to take it off. So, but other than that, we're going to get this baby rocking. We're going to get it started. I'm going to get up down here and get these lights off right here, man. Let's get it done, baby. Peace. We're gonna take this 1/2 inch right here, wrench right here, and we're gonna go ahead and get up under here. Like I say, it's just 2 bolts here, up under here, and that's gonna be it, man. It's easy installment. Then after that, I will have to take my seat off and disconnect the lights. So yeah, so when I get this off, man, I get back up with y'all. All right. You see, we got the light off. Easy, just 2 bolts here, and the connector that was connected down. And the tri-bar light. So we finna get this baby hooked up. We're gonna check out the license plate that we have. Can't show y'all the receipt. But this is the license plate. All the instructions. It's got the turn signals on the side. Got all the connectors on here as well. So I'm gonna have to take my seat off and run it up to my seat. So got the other bolts and everything, so we can get everything installed. So you can see the license plate here. Got the 2 lights, signal, run, turn, and brake as well. You got the push ties and all your other screws. And that's everything that goes with it. So let me get this installed, man, and I'll show you what it look like when I'm done with it. All right. Hey, y'all, you have to cut this right here. I just took my little needle nose here and I cut this piece here. And one reason you cut it is because you have that wire right there, and it got to make sure you clear that wire, because you don't want to cut that wire. So I got mine cut perfect right there. So I'm just gonna break that little piece off there and kind of trim it down just a little bit so it won't have any sharp edges. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty sweet. So like I say, this is gonna go just like this here, and this piece goes just like this. So that's how it's gonna go. Then you got the same two bolts gonna go here that was on the last one. So that's how I was saying, the 2 bolts. They got the screws to mount this down on it right here, and the Allen wrenches, and it has blue Loctite on them already. So man, let's get it done, man. Hey, on these boats, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all see. These are some shorter boats here, and these are the longer boats. The longer boats goes in here. Let me show you the difference. So you can see these are much longer than these. You can see it right there. So the longer boats goes on the outside of here. You don't have to put a nut on it because it's already threaded back there. And you just screw it in. And tight, make sure it's tightened down. And on all four, try to even them out as you tighten them up so it won't be crooked or nothing like that. So I think this is gonna make it look real nice on the back side. So I'll get back up with y'all, all right? Make sure you use the blue Loctite on both screws. These are the new screws, so try to use the new screws if you can. So yeah, so we're gonna get this up, and y'all tell me what you think, all right? Hey y'all, we got it put on right now. I still have to run the wire. I'm gonna pull off one of my saddlebags here, and I gotta take the seat up to find the back, the lights that's going to the back of the bike. So yeah, so we got to do that. I think everything else is still coming on, so I got to get these to come on here. So we got to find out which wire that is here and get all that connected. So when I get all that connected, I will show y'all everything with everything finished up. So hey, we'll get up with y'all, man. We'll see y'all in just a few. You got to take your saddlebags off as well. So find one of your sides where you want to run the wire to. And you're gonna run it here. We're gonna connect these two up under here, and I'll show y'all that here in a few. But first, we're gonna get this saddlebag off and the side cover. Plus, I got my wires running here, my quick disconnects, because I don't want them to get wet when I'm riding. So yeah, so we got the saddlebag off. We're gonna set the saddlebag here. But let's get this wire ran. We're gonna get, and I'm gonna kind of run it with the wires that I already got ran right here. So that's why you got the twist ties and all that. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm just gonna come up through here, and we're gonna get all this connected. So let me put the twist ties on, and like I say, I'll show y'all everything else when I get it done. All right. Y'all, this is the one you have to take a loose right here to get to your wires, man. It's this outside black one here. And what we're gonna do, we're just gonna put these connectors in here. Let me turn my bike off, I'm tripping. And we're gonna put the one here. And these are the wires right here. And we just gotta figure out which one is the left and which one is the right. So we're gonna hook one of them up. We're not gonna just go both one now. So that's just not it. Maybe I took away the wrong wire. Okay, there we go, right there. They're on. I just didn't hook up the wire. So I do got the right size hooked up, so I did get it right. So I just didn't hook the other wire up. Oh man, it looks good, don't it, y'all? Still got good lighting back here. Now you can also see my plug lights a little bit better as well. So man, that is pretty much it. I'm gonna hit my hazard lights. Oh man, God, that looks real good. Make it look real nice and clean, y'all. Definitely making it look clean. So yeah, I'm gonna put everything back together, hide these wires. I got my wires. I just ran my wires, y'all. If you can see this here, I had wires, you know, I got custom dynamics everywhere, so I just ran my wires along here and come up through there. So that's all you got to do from the rear. So, but that is it, man. But let me get this put on, and I'll show you what it look like with the seat on and all the bags on and everything. Get it with y'all. What's going on, everybody? Hey, the bike is complete, y'all. Y'all tell me what you think about the bike. Tell me everything. So, man, look at it. It's just clean. It look real good. And I appreciate everybody for checking out the channel. Thank y'all, man. So, man, if you like this video, man, please click the like, share, and subscribe button for your boy, man. I greatly appreciate it, man. So, man, y'all, till next time, y'all have a blessed day, and y'all stay safe out here on those 2s, 3s, big truck drivers. I love you. Much peace. Have a blessed one.